What's up guys, I'm Shay. Today we'll be checking out Latch 2015 New Year's Rockin' Eve by Pentatonix. Fucking love this song. I just want to hear what it sounds like live. This was requested by someone, I can't remember who. It was a while ago, but I'm doing them now. I don't think Kirsty's in this one from the thumbnail. Actually, no, I could be wrong, because if it wasn't Kirsty, then it wouldn't sound right, because there would be no Kevin and Avi. So I'm just rambling. Let's check it out. Oh my god. Oh, that'll be so dope. Fuck, he sounds good. Jesus Christ, all females. Oh no. Kirsty looks amazing. She just fucking blows me away every fucking video. She just looks perfect. Those fucking piercings, man. Every video. I love that shit. Fuck, that looks like so much fun. Shit. I don't know what that was. I'm feeling it too much. CD. Fuck. Fuck, she sounds good when she says it. La. If I was there, I'd be staring at the front row just like this. Looking at Kirsty the entire time. I'd freak her the fuck out. Actually, no, I wouldn't. I'll be playing it cool. Actually, no, it depends on how many drinks I've had. If it's beers, I'll be on top of my game. If I'm sober, no, I won't. I need a few drinks to be in that zone. If I'm drinking Jack, I'll probably be hooking up with someone in the crowd already. Not to sound up myself, but that's just the shit I do when I'm off my face. If it's Jim Beam, yeah, I'll probably be fighting some people. Probably be getting dragged out by security, which is pretty funny because I do security. Anyway, Kirsty looked fucking amazing. That song sounded pretty much the same as what it does in the video. Felt that fucking good. But Kirsty, she did it for me. That video was Kapai. If you don't know what that means very good. Kapai. Anyway, see you in the next video. Those piercings. Am I the only one who loves that shit? I've always wanted to get an eyebrow piercing, like for ages, years. Even before my ex used to have one, she used to have one right over here. God, I hope she doesn't see these fucking videos. She hates my guts. That's one of my exes anyway. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about exes. What the fuck's wrong with me? But yeah, I've always wanted a piercing even before then. That was years ago. I've had several exes after that. Yeah. I don't know why I'm such a good guy. I guess they don't know a good guy when they see it.
Gotta let you know where I come from. I gotta hold down the city. Gotta let you know.